Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Confidence. In today's lesson, we'll explore English sentences you need when traveling abroad. From arriving at the airport to exploring a new city, these sentences will make your travels easier and help you communicate confidently in English. So, let's get started with the journey. 1. At the airport. When you're at the airport, these sentences will be super helpful. Where is the check-in counter? Use this to find where to drop off your luggage. Can I have a window seat, please? Ask this if you want a window seat. What time does the flight depart? Use this to check your flight's departure time. Is this the line for security? Ask this to confirm you're in the right place. Where is gate 10? A common question to find your boarding gate. 2. On the plane. Here are some sentences to use while you're on the plane. Excuse me, could I have some water, please? A polite way to request a drink. Can I have a blanket, please? Use this to ask for a blanket. How long is the flight? A simple question to check the flight duration. Where is the restroom? Use this to locate the bathroom on the plane. Can I recline my seat? A polite way to confirm if it's okay to adjust your seat. 3. At customs and immigration. When you arrive at your destination, these sentences will help you navigate customs and immigration. Here's my passport. Present your passport to the officer. I'm here for tourism. Use this to explain the purpose of your visit. How long are you staying? Respond with, I'll be here for 1 week. Where are you staying? Answer with your hotel name, e.g., I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel. Do I need to declare anything? Ask this if you're unsure about declaring items. 4. At the hotel. When checking in or staying at a hotel, these sentences are essential. I have a reservation under your name. Use this to check in. What time is checkout? Ask this to know when you need to leave. Is breakfast included? A helpful question for morning plans. Can I have an extra key card? Use this if you need an additional room key. How do I connect to the Wi-Fi? A must-ask question for internet access. 5. Getting around. Exploring a new city? These sentences will help. Where can I find a taxi? Use this to locate transportation. How much does it cost to go to the city center? Ask this to know the fare. Which bus goes to the museum? Use this to find the correct bus route. Can I get a map of the city? Ask this at the information desk for navigation. How far is it from here? Use this to ask about distance. 6. At restaurants. When dining out, these sentences will come in handy. Can I see the menu, please? Ask this to get the menu. What's the specialty of the house? Use this to ask about popular dishes. I'd like to order the chicken curry. A polite way to place your order. Can I have the bill, please? Ask this when you're ready to pay. So, is this dish spicy? A good question if you're concerned about spice levels. 7. Shopping abroad. When shopping, use these sentences to communicate effectively. How much is this? Ask for the price of an item. Do you accept credit cards? A common question for payment options. Can I try this on? Use this when shopping for clothes. Is there a discount on this item? Ask about possible discounts. What are your store hours? Use this to know when the shop is open. 8. Emergencies. If you face an emergency, these sentences will help you stay calm and get assistance. I need help, please. Use this to seek assistance. Where is the nearest hospital? Ask this in case of a medical emergency. I lost my passport. What should I do? Use this if you lose your travel documents. Can you call the police for me? A helpful sentence in case of trouble. So, is there an English-speaking staff member? Use this if you need someone who speaks English. And that's it for today's lesson on English sentences for traveling abroad. Now you're ready to travel confidently and communicate in English wherever you go. Practice these sentences, and you'll make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.